So how would it fit in the modern data stack? It's got these same fundamentals. So it's conceptually similar in that it does one thing, visualization, but does it very well. It's open source and SAS, as I've told you, and it's platform independent. It will run on most platforms that you can think of, and it's a very well supported tool. So it's in that conceptually similar to other tools in the modern data stack. It fits in very well, and it also structurally fits right in. It's a cloud first solution that builds on dbt as a data preparation layer. That I'll talk about this a little bit later. It supports all the targets or databases that dbt is native on, and it speaks largely to the same audience, i.e. data analysts who have engineering needs or data engineers who want to look into their data. So engineering focused data analysts. Okay, so Superset is, as I've mentioned briefly, leans very much on proper data preparation. It's a lightweight tool. It doesn't have much data preparation capabilities built in. It's more than none, but most of the heavy lifting must be done outside of the tool. We usually recommend dbt to that end because they fit together pretty nicely. And we stressed that business definitions and data mappings should be kept outside of the visualization tool because they all too often get buried in there and doesn't have a company-wide understanding or a standard for the metrics. I haven't mentioned, but most of our clients are large enterprise clients or large enterprise organizations. And in that context, it's even more important to have a standard set of KPIs, for example. It also needs proper partitioning and properly prepared data for data security.